From the nylon in your jacket to the DNA in your cells, our world is built from giant molecules. This is the realm of polymers and biochemistry, where simple building blocks link up to create the complex materials of both industry and life itself. Let's start with the synthetic. Polymer synthesis is essentially chemistry at a massive scale. We take small individual molecules called monomers and through chemical reactions, chain them together into polymers. This is how we create everything from polyethylene plastic wrap to durable PVC pipes. Understanding this process allows us to design materials with specific properties, flexibility, strength, or heat resistance, powering everything from material science to medicine. But nature is the original master of polymer science. Biochemistry reveals that life is fundamentally constructed from biological polymers. Proteins, the workhorses of our cells, are long chains of amino acids. They act as enzymes, provide structural support, and transport vital molecules. Carbohydrates, like the starch in a potato, are chains of simple sugars that provide us with crucial energy. And the most famous of all, nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, are polymers of nucleotides, meticulously storing the genetic blueprint for every living thing. Even lipids, the fats and oils essential for our cell membranes and energy storage, follow this theme of building complexity from simpler units. Ultimately, the line between a synthetic plastic and a biological protein is just a matter of context. The fundamental principles of how structure dictates function, how bonds form and store energy, are universal. Mastering this crossover between organic chemistry and biology is the key to solving future challenges, from designing biodegradable materials to engineering life-saving gene therapies. It's understanding the blueprint of matter, both made and born.